Back to Toka Gang, it's Joy. Today I'm going to be roleplaying in Toka. I found another app, it's called Record It, and I'm going to make it up to you. I'm going to be building a Misty cottage Christmas theme, so let's get started. It's not going to be a speed build. If you have it, you can just copy. So first we're going to start with the walls and stuff. This is going to be the kitchen. Let's make it like a good kitchen theme. It's not Christmassy. And I'm with my friend Lenore. Say hi.
Hi.
She's just going to build a library, or a daycare in Toka. So I don't know how that's going to go. So I think I'm going to use this wallpaper. Oh, that looks good. So I'm just going to do the walls and stuff like that. So I think I'm going to keep that. That's pretty good. And this is going to be changed to this Christmassy, yeah, well, that looks good. And this is going to be the small room. So I'm not going to make the room kind of Christmassy, but I'm going to put Christmas things in it. So I'm going to do this for the room. Okay, so first we're going to start with the kitchen decorating. So first I'm going to put this. This is kind of like my first time using it. Kind of, right, Lenore?
Yeah.
So I'm going to switch this so they can see the window. And then I'm going to put this little pantry thingy here. And put like a pantry thing.
Yeah.
Right there. Now start doing the tables next. So now I'm going to do the bathroom. And I think I'm going to do, sorry to hear my brother in the background. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to add this sink and this toilet. Yep, that looks good. Time to do the living room. So I'm going to add a couch, 2 chairs, and oh my gosh, I forgot. Do they have a Christmas tree? They have Christmas trees. Okay, sorry, my friend was talking to me. I have no idea what you were saying. Okay, so the next thing, we're gonna do the table for the kitchen. And I feel so bad for you guys. I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. Well, I have been posting videos, but I haven't posted a video, and that's my holy crap, that's the smallest table ever. We gotta get a big table out. Yeah, that's more like it. So sorry I haven't been posting videos that much, so I couldn't find a perfect record app, because when I usually record the videos, it usually goes to my camera roll, which I post them on YouTube like that. But it wasn't posting to my camera rolls for some reason. So I stopped doing that, and I thought you would like these other videos that I had posted, and they're not really turning out that good, so I decided I'm making another record app, and it worked. So this is going to be the parents in the kids' room, because I don't feel like I have enough for the kids. So they have 1 kid, and I don't know where they're going to put yeah, like that. That looks better. And then I'm going to put this there. Okay, this is not working. Okay, let me try this. It's just kind of tricky. Yeah, that works. That works. Okay. So I might decorate it. Yeah, I think I'm going to decorate it. Okay, so I think I've basically finished this. Let me see if they have anything else we could add here. No, nothing here. Check the bathroom to see if there's anything in the bathroom. Nothing really in the bathroom section. Maybe check the kitchen one, maybe check the tables. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's one of those present wrapping things. That's awesome. Okay, so I think now I'm gonna go to the house or the mall or something and start decorating. So let's get started by decorating. So I think the first place I'm going to go to is, can you guess? Dun dun dun! House. Okay, so I basically took everything from here, from house, but there's a few stuff left over. What house was building again? Oh yeah, a Christmas house. So let's find a good Christmas house. She's one of my, if you guys can guess what role-playing video she's from, comment down below. Can you guys guess? You've seen her before. Okay, so I think I'm going to grab these bowls to put in the cabinets and stuff. She's dancing like crazy. What the heck? She's dancing like heck. Okay, so I think that's it. So I want to see what I get in these little machines. Oh, it's okay. I'm going to take that with me. I think I'm going to take these pillows too. Let me like put the pillows down and like put the pillows and then put the bowls. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to get for us for now. Okay, I think we're going to go to the mall. She's just doing that. Okay, guys. I'm going to use this. This is when I use this girl. Okay, so the dad, girl's phone, the baby's phone. I mean a teenager, not a baby phone. My friend's yelling at me like crazy. A baby has a phone? I'm gonna just shut up. Trust me, guys, you never want to be around her. She's so annoying. She's trying to tackle me. Okay. So I'm going to put all those things in, and I think it's going to be the end of the video, guys. And I hope you guys like the video. And I apologize for not posting a lot of Tuka videos. I just feel so bad that I haven't been posting a lot. And I can put these up there. Yeah, and then why did I buy all these pillows? Oh yeah, it's like I can like put them down here. And this family hates TVs, so that's why they don't have a TV in the room. Okay. Okay. Where am I going to put this? Statue of Liberty or whatever. Statue of Donald Trump. Put up there. Put it right there. Yeah, that's... Okay, guys. I think I've basically kind of finished the house. I think I'm going to do part 2 because I don't want to make this like a 20-minute video. So you can see part 2 next time. Sub, like, ring that notification bell. What do you say? Bye. Bye. Peace out.